Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to save a photo to your Gmail account. Saving a photo to your Gmail account is a simple yet effective way to back up important images securely. It allows you to access your photos from any device by simply logging into your Gmail, making it a convenient storage solution without the need for external drives. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap Compose to start a new email. In the To field, type your own Gmail address. In the subject, give it a title, for example, My Saved Photo. Next, tap the Attach icon at the top and select Attach File. This will open your phone's storage. From the top menu, tap on Images. Now, find and tap the photo you want to save. Once it's uploaded, hit Send. Now open the Outbox or Sent folder in your Gmail. Open the email you just sent. Here you can see that your photo is now in your Gmail account.
If you want to save this photo to Google Photos, tap on the Save to Photos icon. This way you can upload and back up your photos to Google Photos if you are having some problems with automatic uploading.
That's it. The photo is now saved to your Gmail account. If you close the app and open Google Photos, you'll see that the photo has been successfully uploaded to your account.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.